So today's our first day in Hue. We've decided to come out to the Imperial City today, which is the original Imperial Palace that was basically the capital of Vietnam from the 1700s until the mid-1900s. In 1968 was the epicenter of the Vietnam War when the North Vietnam launched the Tet Offensive, and they basically positioned themselves within the Imperial City. America had decided that they weren't going to bomb or shell or do anything to the Imperial City because it had significant cultural value. But as the war continued on through the Tet Offensive, they decided that they would actually launch an attack inside the Imperial City. And as a result of the 160 buildings that used to stand here, there's now only 10 that are still standing. A lot of them have been restored and stuff since then, I think, but at the end there's still bullet holes all throughout the city and remnants of the destruction.